Okay, to find the VirtualBox guest editions, first we have to find out what version we have. Go up to Help, About VirtualBox. You can see that I have 7.0.16. So close that, open a web browser, go to download virtualbox.org/virtualbox. Click on the link to the version that you have. Then click on the VBox Guest Editions with the version you have, .iso. Save that to your computer. When that's done in VirtualBox, go to Devices, Optical Drives, choose a disk file, double-click on the ISO you downloaded, then open up your CD in the File Manager. Right-click autorun.sh, Properties, Permissions, and make sure Execute is checked. Then right-click again and choose Run as Program. Okay, when that's done, press Return to close the window. And now you can restart your machine. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.